got the beautiful Panigale V4 SP, and we're finally back on the Fireblade. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. This is gonna be a rebuild video. We have a full fairing kit for the Fireblade. Oh, I've missed this thing. Just signing the floor. Yeah. How you guys doing? My guy. It is time. I'm excited. I like full bike rebuilds. Let's put her here a little bit and we'll do the review. What's gonna be going on? We're here. You guys have seen him before on the channel. Amotopart. We've done quite a few builds with them. We've done, I think, 2 R1s, R1M, S1Ks, R6s, and now we're doing something different, something special. My Fireblade. I kept talking about getting fairings for it, carbon, stuff like that, which might be, you know, later in the future we might add some more carbon, but for this video, we have a full custom fairing kit, completely painted from Amotopart, customized by yours truly, so it's going to be a unique design, a one of one, which is, by the way, a service they offer. You can customize. They have their preset fairings over there, and you can opt for an option to fully customize your fairings. So without further ado, let's open her up. Here you guys see the first reveal of the fairings. We took the courtesy of unboxing all these goodies. Everything is wrapped really nicely, and they also offer you extra free stuff such as bolts and accessories that we'll get to in a sec. But the reveal of the Fireblade fairing. This is the custom design that I wanted to do. Let me give you a little backstory about this, how this design came to life. So if you guys notice, oh my god, just seeing this, I'm so excited to see the whole kit on. So pretty much this is the, I think, anniversary design, when the full Fireblade is like white, and it has pretty much this design in all different kind of like red, blue, and a bunch of colors. So instead of doing the white and all the other colors, I decided to pretty much just do black and then add the same design but in red on top of it. So that's kind of like the idea. I kept it glossy. I was going to do sand black, but I kept it glossy since this is glossy and I feel like it pops really nice. So I wanted it to still pop really nice, which is really cool because my homie came on his SP, which is kind of a similar design now. So I'm kind of excited to see when this is all done by the end of this video, because we'll see it next to a Panigale V4 SP. And of course, I'm doing their Fireblade kit, but they also have kits, like I said, for almost any bike on the market. So check them out and let's get this build going. Let me give you guys a little walk around about the whole kit, and also what I mentioned before, they offer free gifts completely free of charge, just included, such as bolts, and I believe they should give us also a windscreen and a heat shield as well. As you guys can see, there's so many parts. We got them all laid out here. Oh my god, the side fairing looks so sick. This is beautiful, and then the integrated winglets and all that. I'm so excited for this. It's gonna be so different. Look at that. Look at that. This thing literally looks like OEM paint. That's why I like working with Amotopart, because their quality is literally as close as I've seen to OEM. Yeah, there you go. Extra little gifts, such as the heat shield over here, if you guys need it. I personally won't be using no heat shield, but you know, if you need it, if you want to be smarter. And you have also a dark windscreen, which maybe we'll use, maybe not, because I have the light smoke one. It might look good with the completely blacked out one. Oh, this is like a dark smoke, so you can still see through it. It's a dark smoke, but we might leave the light smoke. I wish there's something somewhat in between these two, because this, if I'm tucking for you guys, it might be a little hard to see, but also will make the bike look so sick. Anyways, this was just a gift for them, so we'll see if we throw this on or not. And yeah, as you guys can see, this might not be an exact replica, because the cool thing is that you can actually add any sort of logo, remove logos, anything like that. So I took the anniversary livery, which I'm going to put a screenshot right here of the anniversary livery from their site, and it kind of merged the kind of two, and I started adding some other features and stuff like that here and there, you know what I mean, like with the logos and all, moved them a little bit, changed the colors and stuff like that. So yeah, just super cool to see everything over here laid out. And also the cool thing is that they have warehouses throughout the world. So usually if the fairings are in stock, if you're not opting out for the custom route, then you'll get your fairings within 3 to 4 days, working days, if what you choose is in stock. And they have a wide selection. So if you're impatient like me, with this one I was patient because I love doing custom stuff. All right, I gotta get this going because I really want to see this thing on the bike. So let's start. It's time. Let's put her on the lift, get this going.
Right there. Let me just make that a little straight and just come straight back. Okay.
We're here at the Molly Motorsports. The man himself, the owner, is helping me set this up. Expert.
There you go, man.
Gotta do it right. It's a Fireblade. My fairing's all messed up. Luckily, we're getting new ones.
Yep.
And hopefully, we're gonna be going to the track sometime soon-ish. That's the goal for this thing. And also, those fairings on the track on a Fireblade, that's gonna be... Alright, let's start this build. This piece was not... This piece was such a pain to come off. It's a very weird design, but she's off now. It's this clip that goes in here and this slides and holds it in. And this was just a pain to kind of like push down to pull it out. And now we can start the build with all the custom fairings. The first piece going on, the blade. Alright you guys, we finally finished installing all the fairings. Everything is all done. I didn't get the tank cover for this thing, but Amotopart does offer a tank cover for this thing. So if you want a tank cover, you should get it. I thought the red would match a little bit, and I didn't know that these kind of the blue and white is on the tank. I thought it was just on the side panel right here. So I thought it was just gonna be like a little red tank, which, you know, would go. Unfortunately, it's slightly different. Like the Honda red is not normal red. It's kind of like a light red. So, but later on, I'm just gonna get a carbon tank cover, and you know, she'll be complete. So that's not a big deal. But everything else is done. Look at the fitment. That's one of my favorite things about Amotopart, is that when the install is all done and you're finished with it, the body lines just fit right. Look at all of these body lines. And this is a very difficult bike. This, by far, I've done an R1 with them, I've done S1K with them, and a bunch of other bikes. This is a very, very, like, a lot of body lines on this thing. And look at these. Everything is lined up perfectly. So, I absolutely love how this design came out. I think it came out super cool. I wanted to get the Honda badges right here. OEM, but unfortunately they don't have one of the sides in stock. I don't know how Honda has only one side in stock and not the other one. Each badge is like $50 too, but I definitely want to get the badges. Look at her though. Look how aggressive this thing looks. All black, murdered out. Okay, we gotta turn on the lights. Look at that. That looks so sick. I'm so excited for this. I think we're gonna remove the rim tape right here where it says Honda Racing, just because I feel like it's too many colors now. You know, I'm going for more of a black look. The seat is a little thrown off now. I don't mind it, but you know, the blue and white, I don't completely mind it, but you know, it's not as fitting as I would like it to, but I do love my custom seat. So definitely get a tint cover. Not sure 100% about the seat. Let me know in the comments down below, and I think she'll be like perfect at that point. Look at this thing though. Again, shout out to the Molly Motorsports for allowing me to use this facility and helping me with this install. But yeah, it came out super, super nice. I'm super excited to ride this thing and take it to meets, because this is a very one of one, especially as soon as I add some more carbon, like cover the tank and complete it and all that. But very happy with how it turned out. Amotopart fairings are lightweight and more resilient. These fairings are made with the highest quality of ABS plastic, and of course all the fairings are pre-drilled with precise mounting holes so everything can fit just right. Not only that it fits like OEM, but it also is protected like OEM fairings. These fairings are painted with high quality paint that is UV protected with 3 layers of clear coat to protect this thing from all type of weathers and keep it looking as fresh as possible. And lastly, I talked about it in the start of this video, one of my favorite features is the customization process, where you can completely customize and bring your idea, your design to life with the help of their team, which has awesome customer service and customer support, making it super easy to go back and forth, sending you ideas and, you know, deciding on what type of design you'd like to go with. Go click the link down in the description below, check out Amotopart fairings and get yourself a fully custom or one of their pre-made fairing kits for almost any of the bikes, since they have a huge catalog of all the exotics. Don't forget to use code AMK. That'll get you 10% off as well your orders. And if you guys do get custom fairings from them, tag me on Instagram, the same name as my YouTube channel, and I would love to see what you guys come up with, your designs, and what you guys think about these fairings. This is so cool to me. It's almost like a new bike now, so I'm very excited to ride it. And you guys will be seeing a lot more of the Fireblade with her looking like this, and even a little bit better when I complete it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and click the link down in the description below for Amotopart. Before we go, I'd like to show that homie right here. You guys know him. You've seen him on the channel. Congratulations.
Well, the booth is, but
Congratulations. Yeah, it looks like you traded in, but you guys have seen him in the channel. He's the Busa guy. I rode your Busa not too long ago when you broke my M1000, right? And look what happened now. Look what happened now. And homie full sent it, and now he's a proud H2 owner. Pretty much the only close friend I know that has an H2 now. So we have entire triple collection. I have the H2, you got the H2 Carbon, and I have the H2R.
Yep.
I guess I might have to buy a Tizzy H2 maybe sometime soon. So we have literally every single variant. Look at this thing. Yeah, I told him, because this H2 has these green wheels. Let us know in the comments down below what you guys think about them. But yeah, he has these green wheels, and we're a little 50-50 about them. So we'll see. The cool thing, Amotopart that made the fairings for this, they make full custom fairings for this. So if you want to do something crazy like custom, just to be a little different, they also offer it for the H2. That's kind of cool. So yeah, imagine like full. I've always said I kind of want to do a full satin black H2 at one point. Imagine full satin black with the green.
That's all my other, yeah.
Let me know. Maybe we could do another project with Amotopart. Yeah, that'd be cool. But yeah, we're talking about, let us know in the comments if the green on the wheels is a little too bright. If not, then you can have my H2R wheels, since I have the carbon wheels, and you know, at least it'll be black and OEM looking. Look at her. It already has a Van Diemen exhaust already tuned and all, so now he's on a fast bike. Let's go! H2 bros! Awesome. And yeah,
Is it fast? I just want to know if it's fast.
it's a little fast. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
More on the boost, or
Yeah, just a little bit. Your boost is gonna feel like 600 now. Trust me. But yeah, and yeah, maybe we'll do a custom fairing build with a Amotopart for the H2 as well. Dude, look at the Fireblade though.
good, bro.
Right? I think the fairings, it looks so aggressive right now. Alright guys, I can stare at her all day. But yeah, peace out and ride safe. Well, look at the Fireblade with the new fairings.